Hello everyone, are you looking for a HTML latest tutorial series or HTML a single tutorial? This video is for you. If you want to become an web developer, then HTML is must know language for you. What is HTML? Here you see HTML is a standard markup language for creating web pages. HTML stands for Hyper Text Markup Language. HTML describes the structure of web using markup. Don't worry, you don't need to understand everything. You just read this line, so you will get the basic understanding of what is HTML. I will describe everything in HTML, everything you need to make an web page. So in this video I will cover every important element of HTML, so just stay with me. And if you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe, support my channel, so I will be motivated and create some more awesome videos for you in future. HTML, in every web pages we need HTML. If you want to become a front-end developer or back-end developer, HTML you need to know, of course you need to know HTML. Okay, just right click on any web page, you can see an option in inspect. Click here, you see in elements everything is written inside this HTML code, HTML starting code, and its end with HTML. That means everything is written in HTML, but HTML is not a dynamic language, so you can print anything or any show. You can show anything dynamically. So you need to use JavaScript or PHP for dynamically print those. Okay, I will not cover those in next videos. I will of course cover a JavaScript or PHP. This is pure HTML tutorial, not CSS. It's pure HTML. Okay, just search for W3 School, W3SCHOOL. Online web tutorials. You can see some tutorials or references. My opinion is to learn from tutorial first. After that, follow these references, the HTML tags, events. Okay, to get started, what you need to download is Atom. Just go to Google and search for Atom. You will find this link, atom.io. Click here and download it for Windows. If you're using Linux or Mac, that's totally okay. You can follow me. I already downloaded Atom, so I'll just install it. It will be installed. This is not rocket science. It is very easy. Okay, my Atom is installed. This is the welcome skin of Atom. Sorry, it's Atom, not Atom. I apologize if anything went wrong. Okay, let's start from the basic. This is the basics HTML document. Just search for HTML and you will find Introduction to HTML, a link from W3 School. It teaches HTML. This is not my website. I am not doing marketing for this website. This is good. I learned a lot of things from here, so I am recommending you to visit those things and experiment with those. You can see there is an option, try it yourself. Click here and try it. Okay, let's write some HTML code. At first, click on file, create new file. Control S for saving this file. I'll save it in desktop and I'll name it index.html. This is the home page of the website. When our website host in anywhere, it will search for this index.html. So in every website we need index.html. This is our base file of any website. Just write shift less than sign doctyp. This is nothing, just we are saying that hey HTML, this is HTML5, that means the latest one. Okay, just from here our HTML will be start. Okay, HTML. If I write HTML and enter, it will give me this basic syntax with this doc type. Just write HTML and enter, but I will write it by myself to teach you. Okay, doc type. Now HTML. This is less than sign, that means it will begin, and after HTML ending just write this shift greater than sign. This is the beginning of HTML code or any tag. When we open any tag of beginning, just write like this, and for ending this HTML tag we will write less than / HTML greater than. Whatever we write inside, we need to write inside these two tags. This is the beginning tag. Here there is no / but in ending tag we need a /. Okay, in HTML we have mainly two parts. The first one is head, ACAD, and another one is BODI. Inside head we'll add title, TITLE, title of this website. We'll write the title is this is SOME home page. Okay, save it. Let's make it little bit more readable so you can understand better. Inside this head I will write this title. Every time we need to write title inside this head. Inside body we will write everything from our web page. Okay, save it and go to desktop where we save this file. Save it on desktop. Just right click on it and open with any web browser. I will open it with Google Chrome. You see this title is showing here. This is home page. Okay, inside body mean everything we will do here, that will show inside this body. This is only for heading and this is for body. Okay, let's write something like A is on. A is on mean heading on. ACADI. Sorry, let's write the most popular O Word in programming, HELLO WORLD, hello world. Save it and reload the page. It will show here. There is 6 heading in HTML, that is H2 HELLO WORLD, hello world, H2 H3 H4 H6 H3, here H3 H4 H4 H5 H5 and H6 H6 mean heading 6. Save it and reload the page once again. You see, this is heading on, this is the bigger one, and this is heading 6. This is the smallest one. Okay, you see, in every tag we write a beginning tag and we write a ending tag with forward slash. Like this, we'll write everything in HTML. P stands for paragraph. Just write less than sign P and greater than sign. Once again, less than sign forward slash P greater than sign. This is paragraph. This is paragraph. Save it, reload the page. You see, this is paragraph. It's looking different from this heading. You see, it's a little bit more light. How we can comment on HTML file? This is very easy. Just write a less than sign, shift 1, double dash. This is ACADING and double dash greater than sign. You see, now this is a comment. This will not execute. For only for the coder who understand coding, they will see this comment. This will not affect on our project. Okay. Now let's write one more comment. This is paragraph. Just write like this and press Ctrl forward slash. This will comment automatically. Save. Okay. LETS. Let's work with formatting. P, enter. This is BOLDTEXT. Here I'll write a formatting tag, that is B. Just write B and take this bolt inside this B ending and beginning tag. Okay, save it and reload this page. You see, this is blood. This blood is looking blood. Okay, copy it and paste it below. This is italic, ITICLIC. I'm not sure italic spelling. I think ITALIC. Save it, and in the place of B just write I. Sorry, just write I like this. Reload this page. You see this italic text is italic now. You want to know more about this formatting, you can go to this page. I will add this link in my video description. Just click there. You see this HTML formatting. You can see there are different tag how you can format your HTML. Here you can see how you can comment. I already shown you how you can comment on your project. Okay, let's work with this link. This link tag is we need to include this link tag inside heading. Let's include a link, link. Just write link, and like this way we can include a link, because this is attribute. I haven't talked about attributes yet. Don't worry. Now I will talk about it. This is rel. Rel mean what kind of file will include in by this link. We will include an style sheet, and this is the href. That means the location of our file from where we will include, because we don't have any CSS file, we will not work with it now. So I'm just going to comment it down. Control /. It will comment. When I'll make a tutorial on CSS, I think it will be next day. Tomorrow I'll make an CSS tutorial, and there this link I'll show you how we can add CSS file by this link. Okay, now a most important topic, that is div. IMPORTENTOPICDIV. Important topic, div. Just remember, let me tell you one thing. Just think like this way. Div means a box. Just remember it. Div means a box. Okay, it is nothing. Just write div and enter. You see, this is an attribute of class. I'll name it box on. Box on. When we will style our website with CSS, this class we need to include inside CSS file. We need to include this class. So we are making this. Okay, just write this is a div or divmeans just think like this. Okay, because in future when you will make an website or web page, This div will be mostly used tag in your HTML code. Okay. uh, Now let's work with id. Here we make this class, and we'll make another one, that is id, another attribute id. there is a there is some similarities between id and class. We can add a style by both id or class, but we can name this class in any in other divs, but we cannot name this id uh, in other div. We cannot name the same thing in other div. That means the id is unique but the class is not. What will be the id? B on box on. Okay, copy this text and paste it below. If I write this same id and save it, reload the page once again, right click on this web page and inspect element, I think it will show an error. Sorry, it will not show an error, but css will not work when we will add css. It will not work, I think. So make sure this one is very unique, so you need to name it uniquely. Just write two box 2, but the both are box. This is the class we can use again and again, but we cannot use id again and again. Save it and reload the page. Okay, when we will add some style on it, it will be clear. So please watch my next tutorial on css. It will be uh, it will be very easy to understand. Okay, let's work with an image. One thing how you can learn from this w3school.com, you just need to search for HTML images. Just search like this and you will find a link of W3 School. From here you see this is the image tag. You can copy this example, or you can go down. You see some more example, but I will copy this one. Copy it. One thing, just write whatever they say. This is image can improve the design and the appearance of the web page. Okay, copy it and paste it here. Inside this image there are two attributes. First one is src and second one is alt. alt means save it, and I'll see what is alt means. Alt means when I reload this page, you see this is girl in a jacket. That means when the image will not show, it will show girl in a jacket. Okay, why this image is not showing? Because we haven't an image. We haven't this image underscore girl.jpg. So what we can do is just search on Google img. Not img, just search for girl. 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 This one is better. Just right click on it and copy this image address. Copy it and paste it here and save it once again and reload the page. It will show the image. You see the image is showing. One more thing you have to notice, in everywhere there is two tag. One is the beginning tag and another one is ending tag, but in image there is only one tag, that is image. We need to write everything inside image, but the beginning of this image tag will be at the end. That means we need to write everything inside just only one tag. Okay, let's download this image. Save image as. I'll save it inside my desktop. Okay, you save it in your root file. That means where you save your index.html file. Just write girl and save it. Now what I can do is, inside this src attribute, just write girl.jpg. Save it and reload the page. It will show this image again. Now this time we are loading the image from our local machine, that means from our desktop. But in before I shown you how you can load an image from website, like any website. Just right click on it and just copy image address and paste it inside the source attribute. Okay, let's talk about table now. Let's make an table. The table start let's make an comment. It will be images and imagesatributes. table. Okay, just write table and enter. It will give you two tags. One is the beginning of table and ending of table. There will be two part of a table. First one is table head, TACAD, table head, and the second one will be TBODY, table body. Inside table head we need to write TR, table row, and TD for table column. Let's make it name Another TD will be name. Another one will be CLUB, club, and AGE, age. Inside this T body, that means table body, we need to write TR, table row once again, and this TD, that means 3 column. Save it, and name will be NEYMARGR, Brazilian footballer. Club is PSG, and is I think 27. Okay, now let's copy this TR table row and paste it below. 2 more time. Save it, and second player will be EDENHAZARD, Eden Hazard. Club is CACLACA, Chelsea, and his age is also 27, I think. And third one is KOYLLION MBAPPA PSG, and his age is 20. Save it. Now reload this page. Let's see how our table looking. You see, this is the name of player, club, and age. But one thing, we need to make it heading. So what we can do is, we need to write TH instead of TD. Just select on TD and press Ctrl D for select next one. TH. Save it and reload this page. You see the name, club, and age, but this is this add some padding in left, so it will start from the middle. Okay, this is our table. It's looking very bad now. Don't worry, I will style it with style sheet. I will style it with CSS style sheet, so it will look better. Okay, let's work with form. Table is done, now form. WR key, WIT. Work with FRM, form. Just write FRM and enter. It will add some basic attributes, but we don't need this two. When we will work with like PHP or Node.js, we need those attributes. Let's name the class FORM, form. No matter if the class name and the form, these two tags are same. Okay, inside this form I will add an div and the class will be FROW, form row. That means it will store as a box in a row. Okay, label. This is the text for form. ENTEROURNAME. Enter your name and input. It has basically these three attributes. For now we don't need this name and value. When we'll work with backend PHP or Node.js or Python, we need this one. Okay, input type will be text, and let's okay, save it. One more thing, name, copy and paste it below. Enter your age. Save it and reload this page. You see it's added to form with name and age. Let's enter my name, SHAION, and my age is 22. Okay, before the ending of this form I will add one more row of div. Just copy it and paste it below. This time we don't need label or input tag, we need button tag, BUTTON. Button type will be submit, SUBMIT. Submit. We don't need name attribute, SUBMIT. Button text will be submit. If I reload this page, you see here is a button. If you don't understand this type, for now just delete it. I will discuss it in later video. Okay, see, this basic form is done. Don't worry, I'll add some style with CSS. Okay, if anything you don't understand, please comment it down. I'll discuss with it. And if you like this video, please like. If you don't like this video, please dislike it. Feel free to dislike it. I won't mind, but I work hard for this video to teach something to you, so please motivate me to upload some videos in future. That will be more better when you motivate me. Thank you. Thanks in advance. Bye bye.